Hey fam, you're welcome back to my channel. And yeah, as you can see, today I want to share with you a very simple and nutritious brekkie. Let's start. So I know a lot of people love oats, but sometimes making it can go wrong. Sometimes it turns out good, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's watery, And to avoid all of these, I just want to share with you my go-to method of doing this, and it always gives me the best results. I hope you tried. I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more amazing videos. Share with your family and friends to also enjoy this goodness. If you're new here, thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you loved it and I hope you stick and stay. And don't forget that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. So take a meaningful step today. Ciao.